presentation. Grab your shirts, grab your tickets. $25 gift card. Coming on.
Hi.
Even though it may not be as easy as it looks, I promise it's loads of fun. Join us in this fun here at the Cohesity booth. Try your hand in the Fort Knox machine. You only have to grab $5 golden dollars. Just $5 golden.
هذا AMD معالجات AMD.
Providing everything that I just said, we also do events and education. So where are you from? So we have, I know San Jose definitely has one. San Jose is about an hour. Yeah, but there's local.
That's the same. We gotta talk.
You did what you could do. That's how I did. Yeah.
Hi. Do you work, is this related to Core NAS?
No, we're our own company.
It's separate. But do you think Core NAS is a strong competition for what you're doing?
I'm not familiar with Cornas.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is they do the same, but you build your own machine like this from their platform.
I'm not familiar with their platform.
So let's get started.
You can designate as your holder and then have all of your contests either one way or two way between the different technologies. Yeah, that's we have some like multimedia video production companies. You know, they have the main studio, so they have like a 12 bay, 12 drive Synology device at their main studio. Most of their editors are there. But then they also have some remote editors that are like in a different state. So they do the same thing where it's like, yeah, it's like this is our main project folder right now. Sync all the videos over there. And now the remote editor, they just like have everything ready and waiting.
Very well funded startup.
He used to make one of the best.
Hello. Hi, sir. How's it going? Would you like to join us for our next presentation? We're starting in just a minute.
Hi, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay? Okay.
We've got Randall Vega from Ingram Micro here who's going to be speaking on enterprise workloads. I'd like to learn about how we're all partnering together in this space with AWS. This would be a great presentation for you to join us on. And you can win a prize in the process. Not only could you win a prize in this presentation, you are also entered into our raffle for an Amazon Fire HD tablet. We're actually raffling off 2 of those today. And all you have to do for that is to get your badge scanned. Plus, you could win a prize at the end of this presentation. You guys want to join us for the presentation? We're going to be starting right now. This is a great time to join. And your chances of winning a prize are very high right now. Hello, hello, hello. Throughout, or at the end of this presentation. Hi, welcome, welcome. Grab a seat. If you're interested in learning more about how Ingram Micro and AWS are working in this space, and or interested in winning an Amazon gift card, one person in this audience is going to win an Amazon gift card. Come grab a seat right now and grab your raffle tickets. Hello. Also, if you're not sure where this voice is coming from, it's coming from AWS. Are you guys pumped? Yes? Like super pumped. So excited. Awesome. I like seeing people smile. It's good. Okay, guys. We're going to go ahead and get started with our next speaker. Please give Randall a big round of applause. Thank you so much for being here.
Hello. How's everything going? Are you having fun? Good. Okay. Well, my name is Randall Cruz, senior sales professional for Ingram Micro. The idea today is to explore the advanced compute of VMware Cloud on AWS. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, let's talk about multi-cloud. What is multi-cloud? The idea is to give you 3 words that you keep in mind. Number 1, consistency operations, consistency in infrastructure, and consistency of management. So the idea is to enable partners to position this kind of solution, this kind of migration technology to the cloud in a very simple way. Use cases, we have several use cases: modernization, migration to the cloud, disaster recovery, modernizing the data center, and so on. So let's explore some options that we have here. So we are able to provide faster migrations up to 46%, 59% recurring savings of 70% our solution with VMware on AWS. So we can complement the data center also for DR plan, for disaster recovery plan, cloud migration, or any kind of infrastructure refresh. We can also optimize and manage with operational automation, DevOps infrastructure. Also, we can extend and transition for virtual desktop as well. We can accelerate and also containerize for the next modern application like containers with Kubernetes. Also fits very well in the AWS infrastructure. Okay, so the way that the applications are changing, we are having more changes now than the last 40 years. So now we have advanced analytics, we have next generation applications, we have self-services, we have many other applications that we can also support on AWS. So, modern applications and global infrastructure requirements. Okay, doesn't matter if we are talking about data center or if you have any service with your service provider, or you have any infrastructure on the cloud, or you have also an edge technology. VMware and AWS works together to give you consistency in operation, a consistent infrastructure, a consistent management worldwide, around the globe. So, four key ideas for infrastructure requirements for this kind of modern apps. Okay, number 1, traditional apps. What do you need? Well, they need application security, they need maintenance, they need a multi-tier hybrid, or maybe the cloud native, the CNA application. What they need? Well, a container architecture, maybe a refactor for cloud, or maybe a portability for cloud. What about analytics and big data? Well, also data security, data security as well. Let me go back. Data security as well, workload management, or the intelligence edge or an IoT. Well, we are facing there lights out management, data security, and rapid patching. So in that way, we have here the way that with AWS and VMware we can support with virtual machines, container infrastructure, container services. Doesn't matter if you have it on data center, service provider, cloud, or edge technology. And that's the beauty of this solution. Here is our cloud solution. In that way, we are able to, with virtual machines or containers, we are able to support all the cloud services to give you visibility, to give you operations, automation, security, and governance. With that way, we can support any app on any device. And the same vision that VMware has is the same vision that we have as well with AWS. Okay. Aside that, in addition to, you have the global infrastructure, you will find the same stack that maybe the customer has in the data center. The customer also will have vSphere, maybe will have vSAN. In a better case, we'll have the complete stack, VTF, vCloud Foundation. And the advantage and the beauty of this kind of solution is that the customer will find the same infrastructure on AWS. So we can connect the vCenters, or we can link the vCenters, and the customer will have the same pane of glass to manage the infrastructure from on-premise infrastructure to the cloud in the same way. The same skill, the same tool, the same way to manage and operate the infrastructure. Doesn't matter if we are talking about public cloud or private cloud, these skills are the same. And in addition to that, the customer will have access to the power of the native services of AWS, like S3, like EC2, like RDS, and so on. Okay, highlights. We have five highlights important. Number one, as a service. This is a subscription service that customer can subscribe on demand. Second, consistency. As I said at the beginning of the presentation, we have consistent operation, consistent infrastructure, consistent management provided by VMware. Number three, portability. Easy way to migrate workloads from the data center to the cloud. Also using HCX. With HCX, we might simplify the process to migrate workloads and containers from premises to the cloud. Direct access to the power of the native services in the case of integrated services. And lastly, any application with existing or new VMs or containers. So, in other words, we are offering a true enterprise capabilities in the world's most broadly adopted public cloud. Support. Well, those green dots are the availability regions where AWS has present, and are many more are coming in a near future. Just to recap, the solving the key needs and operating demands that AWS is solving with VMware. Number one, we have 4 teams: the developers, the operators, the security team, and the data science team. What they need? Well, maybe they need container support in the case of the developer, full stack support, DevOps flexibility, or the operator maybe will require consistent operations, portability, or the security team is concerned about application security, migration of the policies, the way that they management, also micro-segmentation. And lastly, the data science team also is concerned about data security, about how to have time for analytics and the platform flexibility. So that's the way that we have our more modern applications, business critical applications, cloud applications, intelligent computing, and with the modernized infrastructure with data center, cloud migration, and intelligent edge. Some cases of success, these are references of customers that adopt the technology with VMware and AWS, and now they are a reference of success of this kind of technology. We have a huge ecosystem for to support these solutions. About 4,000 service providers, about 20,000 partner resellers worldwide, and 1,100 technology partners that are working together to improve this kind of solution. So, enterprise workload migration, well, the most common cases, VDI, data frameworks, the development frameworks, advanced computing. And in the case of advanced computing, something that we are improving is the machine learning, the artificial intelligence, and the big data. So we are giving, thanks to VMware and AWS, a real value in the artificial intelligence, data analytics, and machine learning, specifically in big data support. Another use cases for machine learning and AI, for disaster recovery, for data center extension, and cloud migration, all support by AWS and VMware as well. And that's all, my friends. Thank you very much. As I said, it's a quick presentation. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.